Hi, this is Erika. I'm so sorry I interrupted in your video. I just want to share a very quick message with you. Have you been thinking about starting an online business, but you thought it might be too technical or that it will take a lot of time from you? Then you should stay and listen to what I have to say to you. And in the end, I will also give you a free bonus. So, 3 years ago, I was not in a very happy place. I had just quit my job after being burnt out, and my business also went bankrupt. So here I was broke and no job, and honestly, I was quite depressed as well. Then, one day, I was watching YouTube, probably like you're doing right now, and I found this ad from another Swedish guy. He talked about an education for people like me that have no previous experience of an online business or any technical skills. I thought it might be a scam because who knows, but I decided to trust this guy, and at least I thought it wouldn't hurt me if I just gave him a couple of minutes. So I actually clicked on his link and he sent me an awesome resource. It was a couple of videos, it was actually workshops. And in these workshops, they taught me what was possible to do on the internet if you don't have a product to sell, but you really want to work from home and create a new lifestyle. A lifestyle that is designed for you. So that you can live in a way that makes you happy, if you know what I mean. So now I'm sitting here 3 years later. As you can see, I work from home. It's an awesome day, and I just felt that I want to share this with you as well. So if you click on the link around this video, I will send you the same workshops for you. And on top of that, I will also give you a bonus. There's a brand new webinar right now talking about how you can turn this crisis that we are going through, every one of us in the world right now, into an opportunity. It has never been a better chance to educate yourself and take a new direction in life than now. So if you click on the link around here, I will give you a ticket to join this webinar for free. You don't have to worry about the webinar. You don't have any cameras on. They won't see you. You don't have to talk to anyone, but you can listen and learn. And now you get the chance to understand how you can start your own online business from scratch. Sounds fair? If so, just click the link now and I see you on the inside. Bye!